Yeah.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Yeah, so today's Saturday, and like you guys saw yesterday, it was Friday. I stepped out for a bit because I cannot come and keep myself, work hard, you play harder, right? That's the vibe. Okay, so I went out yesterday, so I just wanted to give them my honest review. It's a lovely place. I enjoyed myself. I don't know about you. I don't know if you like the vibe, but for me, I enjoyed the place. Uh yeah, food was great. Did I even eat? I say food was great. I had puff puff. Guys, I'm telling you guys this one for free. That puff puff was a vibe. Like, I don't think I've tasted puff puff. I don't know how they fried it. I don't know. And I don't want to know. I know I make puff puffs, but this one I ate yesterday, went to Harvard and came back. Puff puff was great. It had this crispy out, like the see not let me not start speaking English that I don't understand right now. The cocoa of the matter is that the puff puff tasted nice, and then I had milkshake. Yeah, customer service top notch. I've been giving up big ups to their social media, their IG handler. That person finished work. It was just following up on me. This one, would you like to make a reservation? This one, was just pampering me. And I thought it was going to end there, like the customer service. I thought it was just going to end on Instagram. But when I got inside the place, when I got to the place too, shocked me. They just pampering you. What would you like? This one, are you okay? I even asked, can I vlog? And they're like, yeah, sure, you can. And then they're like, okay, would you like to see our VIP room? I was like, okay, what's going on here? Okay. I've been to some places where they're like, okay, we don't allow people vlog, but this one was different. They allowed me to vlog. They even offered to take me on a tour, showed me all the places, There was someone taking me around, showing me this is here, this is there, Okay, it was fun. Like, I know I've not had that kind of service. I don't know, maybe because I'm not been doing that so much, but it was nice. Big ups to them. Yeah, so like I said, they're located in Guarimpa. If you're looking for somewhere not too quiet, just a cool, chilled place to just sit down, they have everything. Like, they cook everything from the menu. They have everything: drinks, food, junks, sausages, what do you call this, shawarma, burger, fries, fish, grilled chicken, suya, everything. Drinks, they have juices, smoothie, all of that, they have it. So if you're looking for this, is not a paid advert too. It's just because of the service I got. Yes, and because I vlogged, I just thought I should share with you guys. So if you're in Abuja or you happen to visit Abuja anytime soon, yeah, you might like to check out the place. It's in Guarimpa, I think First Avenue. Yeah, just put the name on Google Map and it's gonna take you there. Yeah, so that's about my experience yesterday. Yeah, so obviously today's Saturday now. I woke up late because, as usual, I actually didn't have anywhere to go to. The weather is hot. There's no light. Welcome to Nigeria. I just stepped out to washed my hair and got some few things. I've been craving what's this thing called, English breakfast. And where I went to wash my hair, I just stopped by some few things. English breakfast consists of plenty things: toasted bread, eggs, pancakes, syrup or whatever topping, and then all of that, anything you decide to put, yeah, but these are the main things that it's constituted of. Oh God, English. If it's not correct, you just listen to it like that, So just sit back, relax, and enjoy this vlog. However it's gonna be, just enjoy it. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe if you haven't. Okay, yeah. So see you guys later. Okay. Monday, and today happens to be Mother's Day. So happy Mother's Day to every mother out there, intending mothers, grandmothers, great grandmothers. You guys are the real MVPs. Shout out to you guys. Happy Mother's Day. Okay, I just got back from church and I stopped by the market to get some few things. I want to make a RIRO. Yes, a RIRO is Yoruba vegetable soup that they use. What's it called now? A leaf. What's a leaf called in English? Is it a leaf they call spinach? I'm not sure, but they shall use it a leaf. It's not the regular ugu and water leaf vegetable soup. It's the one they use just a leaf. Yeah, so I'm going to be making that. I'm sure you're going to see that video before this vlog. I'm going to post the video of how to make a RIRO. Yes, I'll be posting that before this vlog, so watch out for that. I got some few things from the market, and guys, the rate at which things are getting expensive is alarming. It's really alarming. Let me do a little haul so you guys will see what I'm talking about. So I got this. This is the F4 alifo, or spinach, I guess in English. So I got 2 of it. This bunch is 100 naira. So I got 2 bunches because when you cook this soup, the way it used to disappear in the pot, these 2 bunches for 200 naira. This pepper, mixture of tatase and the small pepper. This is 300 naira worth. Let's look at the nylon. This is 300 naira worth of pepper. Then I got this 1 tuber of yam, since technically I'm the only one. I got this 1 tuber. The shape of this yam is so funny. I got this 1 tuber for 500 naira. Hey, got this bottle of palm oil for 800 naira. This is pomo, just 200 naira. Smoked panla. The set of 3 for 500 naira. This is rice. I just got half mood. I wanted to try out the rice. If I like it, then I'll get in bulk. So I just got half mood of this. This is St. Leaf worth of 100 naira. This 100 naira worth of St. Leaf. I think that was all. Okay, I got a dawa. Is it dawa? Locust beans, fresh one for my RIRO. Yeah, so that's about it. So everything here is roughly 3,200 naira. Yes, I didn't plan to spend 3,000 naira. But when I got to the market, okay, I got things for the RIRO, and then I was like, okay, if I make soup this week, I want to make something else because it's not this soup I'll eat this week. Something else. So I didn't have yam, I didn't have rice, so I had to get. Yeah, so that's how it is. Roughly 3,000, I think 3,200 to be specific. 3,200 naira. So this is what 3,200 naira will get you in a local market. So if you're working on a budget, well, in Abuja to be precise. I don't know of any other location. Yeah. Okay, let's get cooking. Good morning. Today is Monday, obviously. Start of a new week, a new work week. It is start of a new work day. Yeah, because I think people say the week starts on Sunday, not Monday. So yeah, today is Monday and I am all set. It's just this lovely top and black pants. Yeah, I'm all set to go to work, and I just thought to end this vlog because I know I'm leaving my vlogs halfway. I swear, if I don't do this now, I don't know when I'm going to do it. So I just thought to end this vlog. If you enjoyed this vlog, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment if you would like to, and subscribe to my channel if you're not yet subscribed. And thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video.